We're taking the subway here in Tokyo. No? Ana is finding ano yung line yung sakyan namin. Very efficient, no? Iniwan namin yung rented van, no, sa Airbnb because we may be stuck in traffic. Instead of driving around in Tokyo at this point in time na holidays, we decided to take yung train station. Yung trains, ha? Tuloy? Ako pa? This one. Baba kami. Bakit kailangan natin magbubuan? Ah, okay. Bakit maglipat tayo?
Yeah, 6 minutes ride lang.
6 minutes ride.
Our station is Roppongi.
Ay, Roppongi.
Yeah.
Roppongi is yung place ng ano to? Philippine Embassy.
Oh, andyan din yung ano, yung nightlife nila.
Ah, that's nice.
Nightlife. You know.
Hello, folks. Saan tayo akyat? Here? Where? Hibiya line. Hibiya. Ito? Hibiya line, no?
Here.
This one? Maze talaga to. Ano?
Hibiya ba yan? Hindi yan Hibiya.
Yan o, H. Hibiya line. Yun. H o. Hibiya line. Nakakakuan din, no? Oh, we need to... Nako. Yung... natingnan natin. Oh! Nawala yung pag ko, ah.